Hi there, thanks for joining us here at PhillipCapital Market Watch. This is Li Rui, equity specialist from Phillip Investment Center. When it comes to precious metals, most investors would mostly think of gold and silver. However, do you know there are many other types of precious metals? Today, I will introduce you a precious metal that contributes to a popular investment theme, environmental social governance, Palladium, and to show you how to invest in the commodity. Palladium is categorized as a platinum group metal, PGM for short. It is one of the 6-member PGM family that was used in a number of industrial processes. As compared with the lead metal in the group platinum, palladium's demand is largely concentrated in catalytic converter for gasoline engines to reduce greenhouse gas emission, which accounts for 84% of the demand worldwide. The second largest usage of palladium would be catalysts for chemical processes in industrial sector, which accounts for 13%. We expect strong short-term demand amid recovery in vehicle production this year. Tightening carbon emission control by legislation from countries such as Europe, North America, and China could act as a tailwind in auto catalyst demand. In addition, increased PGM utilization in chemical processes and new hydrogen peroxide plant constructions in China also bolstered industrial demand. Hence, we expect overall demand in 2021 to recover from the lows of 2020. At the supply side, we saw a spike in South Africa production. However, the COVID-19 situation could impose uncertainty on the operation in second half of 2021. Strong growth in South Africa production was also partly offset by lower Russia output due to groundwater flood at Norilsk nickel site. Incentivized by high palladium's price, we saw strong palladium secondary supply from recycling materials such as electronic scrap and spent auto catalysts. However, most refining companies are operating at their selling capacity due to bottlenecks. As such, although overall palladium supply was projected to increase in 2021, structural deficit of 800,000 ounces was expected as demand rises faster than supply. Although structural deficit could act as a tailwind on palladium price, we also wish to point out long-term potential headwinds palladium could face. Strong growth in battery electric vehicle BEV could hinder internal combustion engine ICE growth, which results in lower PGM demand. As such, future palladium demand would base solely on legislative programs rather than ICE output. In addition, increased competition from substitute materials such as platinum could threaten palladium's position in the PGM space as auto catalyst. However, despite long-term headwinds, we expect short-term upside on palladium price to continue amid structural deficit. There are two main options to invest in palladium. You can either invest in share of the mining businesses or buy the ETF that tracks the palladium price or HODS volume. For the miners, we focus on the ability of business to minimize its all-in sustaining cost to generate good EBITDA margin and cash flow from operation. We will also want to select companies with attractive valuation multiples such as low EV to EBITDA or low price to free cash flow ratio. For the ETFs, we select the fund based on our diversification preference. To concentrate only on palladium, Aberdeen Standard Physical Palladium ETF tracks palladium spot price closely. Meanwhile, if you wish to diversify across other precious metals, you may consider ETF code SPPP and GLTR. That's all for PhillipCapital Market Watch. Do remember to like and follow us on social media and subscribe to us on YouTube. Leave your comments. Thanks for joining us and see you soon.